Hair World. It's your boy Mike T's, and I'm gonna show you an aisle that I have in Hair World. By the way, if you need anything as far as clippers, razors, anything like eyebrows, even makeup, hair bows, it's endless. You'll see here in this next clip. Tap in. Shop at Hair World, 125 12th Street, Northwest, Canton, Ohio, 44704. Or call them 330-956-5142. YouTube, what up? It's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. This one is a story time, actually a little bit of what's going on inside Mike T's. Or I should say the inner operations or the inner working. And it's the first time I'm doing a story time, and I'm seeing if you guys are feeling it, if you're digging it, or not. Please drop a comment, like, subscribe. I make videos like this all the time. Well, I'm trying to. Yo, let's get into it. Have a blessed, productive day. And once again, shop at Hair World. You already know what it is. So as most of you guys know, I have 10 children. And that's a big family. I always envisioned having my own family business and being able to employ everyone in my family, or at least have them help in one way, form, or fashion in the business, so you wouldn't have to necessarily look for work. We would just continue to grow, this family tree, especially in the print industry. Well, in today's video, you're gonna see me and my son working together. Now this is my oldest son, he's 25, and I had challenged him to just come up with something. I gave him a blank hoodie, his size, showed him the various print methods that I had on hand here at the store, and I just basically let him get busy. So everything you seeing him do right now is what he chose. And yeah, a lot of it's Grizzly. He does love the Grizzly brand, and he has his own spin of what he thinks the Grizzly brand should be, so I'm excited to see what's going on. But in this video, I'm basically gonna let it play itself out, and I'm gonna be narrating. We had music blasting the whole time. It was a great bonding time. I'm gonna explain a little bit thoroughly what having 10 children means, at least to me. So when you do have children, a child, and specifically one, most cases you try to put your best foot forward as much as you can. You try to provide for your child. Well, any person that's caring for their child, and that's most of the people on this planet, I would think, you pour into your child, basically giving them the gifts that you learn, the mistakes that you learn, and basically guiding them to become a better able-bodied adult, especially in society. And this comes in many forms and fashions. Some people strictly just teach on the teaching part of learning what people do, learning mannerisms, learning how to, and the various ways I could break that down. I'm not going to get all the way too deep into it, but nonetheless, they try to project to their child a better life that they think that their child will want. Now, the reason I say think is because in our brains, we as parents, the ones that was raised with common sense and knowledge, know that you just want your child to do better than you did when you was coming up, when you was raising them. So therefore, we tend to navigate or help them navigate their life through that. The reason for me getting into it so deep is because, like I said, I have 10 children. I don't push the fact that I do create things, if you know what I mean. But I do let my kids use their imagination. So one, my oldest being the oldest, he wasn't really too into printing. He had other things going on, which is cool. I support you either way it goes. But to me, I guess it's really, really, really rewarding when you see that your children actually do want to get involved with what it is that you're doing. Whether it's creating a shirt, doing a hat, recording the content, editing the content, whatever it is. It's like this feeling that's almost undescribable. And I'm proud to show this off. I'm proud that I get to make a video with my oldest son where he's at the shop and is going to be working with me at the shop and the other shop. I'm speechless. Yeah, you did that. That's fire. Front and back. But back to what I was saying. You don't want to make your child's life choices for them. In other words, you want to teach them so when they go out and make these decisions in the world, they know how to handle them, how to accept them, whether it's a good or a bad. So, with that being said, y'all, this was like a dream that you dreamed and then it came true. Now my son came to me and asked me to work and to teach him what I know, and that he was interested and wants to take it to the next level. So, yo, I'm excited to share this with the T-Gang. That hoodie you just seen, the McKinley Bulldogs, is another one. I just did it for my daughter. All my kids go to McKinley High School. If you know about McKinley, we about the Bulldogs. So I'm just showing a different spin on that right there as far as the Bulldogs go. But yeah, I'm going to call this Mike's story time. Or actually, a little peek into Mike's life and how I generally feel. It feels weird to talk in third person, but today was one of those days. My son came and worked with me, my oldest son. Might I add Elijah. So you guys will be seeing him back around the shop as he is going to be doing some filming and actually helping me with the workload. So he is now an employee. Him, my father, and me, you know, and sometimes Alexis, we got to grit to it when it get extra tough. And the summertime is coming around. I'm seeing that he's liking what I'm actually doing and he's liking to learn. So you can only go up from here. But for anybody out there that's ever had some doors slammed in your face, or maybe didn't get that opportunity because you think for some odd reason maybe that you just ran out on bad luck. Everybody go through hard times, tough times. Make sure you turn those tough times into a positive, and I guarantee you, you'll win every time. But y'all, this is a little bit different of a video, and I was happy and proud to work with my oldest son. I will catch y'all on the next one. Peace.